Hi, I'm Aarav Gupta. I'm 8 years old and I'm in 3rd grade. I live in LA and my teacher, Mr. Bali, is teaching me coding from Tinker Coders. And I use this tool named Scratch to help me code. Today, I present you a game which my friends will play on New Year Eve. I present to you Get the Gifts. This is how you play it. First, there's going to be a timer for 1 minute. And you have to get as many gifts as possible. And now let me show you. Here's the game.
You want to say bye? How many score you got?
And my score was 36. Listen very closely. That it doesn't matter when you win or you lose. It matters when you play the game. So if you're playing against 2 people, just remember, it's okay. Bye.